Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm David.
And I am Alice. It is so nice to see you today.
Yes, we are very happy you are here with us. How are you today, Alice?
I am doing great, David. But I am a little hungry.
You are always hungry, Alice. But that is perfect, because today we are talking about food.
Yay! Food is my favorite topic. Today, we will talk about daily meals in English.
Exactly. We will talk about breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We will use simple words and slow English so you can understand every word.
Yes, if you are cooking, driving, or just relaxing at home, this video is for you.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
Yes, click that subscribe button. Now, let's talk about food.
Alice, let's start with the first meal of the day. What is the first meal of the day?
The first meal of the day is breakfast.
Very good. Let's repeat that slowly for everyone. Breakfast.
Breakfast. David, what time do you usually eat breakfast?
I usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. in the morning.
7 a.m. That is early. I eat breakfast at 8:30 a.m.
What do you like to eat for breakfast, Alice?
I like to eat eggs and toast. I also drink a big cup of coffee.
Coffee. I love coffee too. Let's practice those words together.
David, how do you like your eggs?
I like scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs are soft and easy to make.
Me too. I love scrambled eggs with a little bit of salt and pepper.
Simple and delicious. What about drinking? Do you drink coffee with milk, Alice?
Yes, I like coffee with milk and no sugar. What about you?
I like black coffee. No milk, no sugar.
Ooh, strong coffee.
Yes, strong coffee wakes me up.
Let's ask our listeners a quick question. Listeners, what do you eat for breakfast?
Do you eat eggs? Do you drink coffee or tea? Think about your answer in English.
Say it out loud right now. For breakfast, I eat...
Excellent practice.
Okay, David, morning is finished. Now it is the middle of the day. What meal is next?
The next meal is lunch.
Lunch. Let's repeat that word. Lunch.
Exactly. Lunch is the meal we eat in the middle of the day, usually around 12 p.m. or 1 p.m.
David, where do you usually eat lunch?
Sometimes I eat lunch at work, and sometimes I eat lunch at home.
What is a popular food for lunch?
A very popular lunch food is a sandwich.
Ah, a sandwich. I love sandwiches because they are fast and easy.
Yes, a sandwich is very easy to make. What do you put in your sandwich, Alice?
I put bread, cheese, chicken, and tomatoes.
Yum! Bread, cheese, chicken, and tomatoes. That sounds very healthy.
Sometimes I also eat a salad.
Salad is great. Let's repeat these lunch words slowly.
David, do you ever make mistakes when you make a sandwich?
Oh, yes. One time I forgot to put the chicken in my chicken sandwich. I only ate bread and lettuce.
A chicken sandwich with no chicken? That is just a lettuce sandwich.
Yes, it was funny. I was so hungry, but I forgot the main ingredient.
That is so silly, David.
Let's practice a sentence for lunch. Repeat after me.
I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m.
Very clear.
David, what about the time between lunch and dinner? Sometimes I get hungry at 4 p.m.
Ah, when you get hungry between meals, you eat a snack.
A snack. Let's spell and say that word. Snack.
A snack is a small amount of food. You do not eat a big plate, just a little bit.
What are good snacks, David?
Good, healthy snacks are fruit like apples, bananas, or grapes.
I love apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Exactly. Other snacks can be nuts or yogurt.
What about sweet snacks, David, like cookies or chocolate?
Yes, cookies and chocolate are delicious snacks, but don't eat too many.
Oops, I love chocolate cookies with a glass of milk at 4 p.m.
Chocolate cookies are nice, but fruit is better for your body.
You are right, Teacher David. Fruit is healthy. Chocolate is a special treat.
Let's repeat our snack words together.
Let's ask our friends listening, do you like sweet snacks or healthy snacks?
Think about it. I like to eat.
Now, the day is almost finished. The sun is going down. It is evening time. What is our last big meal?
The last meal of the day is dinner. Some people also call it supper, but dinner is very common.
Let's repeat. Dinner.
Dinner is usually eaten around 6 p.m., 7 p.m., or 8 p.m.
In my house, dinner is a special time because my family sits together at the table.
That is wonderful, Alice. Dinner is a great time to talk about your day with family or friends.
What do people usually eat for dinner, David?
People eat many different things. Some popular dinner foods are rice, pasta, fish, meat, and vegetables.
Ooh, pasta. I love Italian pasta with tomato sauce.
Me too. Pasta is delicious. And rice is very popular all over the world.
Yes, rice with chicken and cooked vegetables is a very normal dinner.
Let's practice these dinner words slowly and clearly.
David, how do you pronounce that last word? It looks long.
Ah, good question. Broccoli looks like small green trees. It is good for you.
I try to eat it, David. I try.
You are doing great, Alice. Now, let's review all the meals we talked about today.
Okay, let's see if our listeners remember.
What is the meal in the morning?
Breakfast.
What is the meal in the middle of the day?
Lunch.
What is the small food you eat between meals?
A snack.
What is the meal in the evening?
Dinner.
Outstanding! You remembered all of them.
Now, let's practice a full sentence that you can use every day. Listen to David first.
I eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the afternoon, and dinner in the evening.
Let's say it slower.
Very good. Speaking English takes practice, so do not be afraid to speak out loud. Even if you make small mistakes, that is totally okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn. David made a sandwich without chicken, and he is still a good teacher.
Exactly. Nobody is perfect.
We hope you enjoyed learning about daily meals today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Now we have a question for you. Please leave a comment below this video.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite meal? Do you like breakfast, lunch, or dinner best?
And tell us what food you love to eat. We read your comments and love hearing from you.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Have a wonderful day and enjoy your next meal. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.